2015 Jeep Grand Cherokee, and today we're going to be replacing the fog lights and going over how to replace the headlight bulbs. Let's get to it. All right, your first step is going to be to rotate your steering wheel all the way in one direction. All right, after your wheel is turned all the way in one direction, you'll see this port right here, and at first glance you go, oh look, so easy. I can just reach right in here and change up my headlight bulb. Unfortunately, that's not actually the case. If you reach right in here, you'll be able to feel everything, but as far as being able to see it, not so much. It's not like in most vehicles where the headlight will be lined up with this hole. The headlight is actually further up here. So, not to say you can't do it from that port, but if you've never done it before, you're probably going to be just irritating yourself, and it's not really worth it. Go ahead and remove the clips right here. I only had one in here. And with that moved out of the way, we have access to both the fog light and the headlight. As you can see, the headlight is protected by a brace right there behind the headlight assembly. And to get access to the headlight bulb, you're going to need to reach up here, twist off the cover, and remove it. So this is the cover that you're looking for in the back of the headlight. Go ahead and remove that. And as you look up here, you'll see that you have access to the back of your headlight bulb. Now, for what we're doing today, the fog light. Located right here, pretty straightforward. Reach in, rotate until you hear it click, and remove. And there's your fog light bulb. For these fog lights, we're going to be using the Hotel 11 Ultras from Silver Star. Of course, being careful not to break them. And once those are pushed aside, you can pull your bulb right out. Install your new bulb and reinstall back into the socket. And to reinstall, insert back into the socket and rotate in a clockwise manner until it locks back in place. If this video helped you out, leave a like, don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you next time.